What is going on, guys? I'm Watch Jericho, and we are here to disassemble the 420 engine. And Jared's been in here for a minute already. He got the clutch off and the flywheel, so now we're just down to the short block. We've got to get the distributor off. We'll get the water pump off finally. We're not quite sure what's holding it on, but it looks like this bolt that's really weird right here. Let me see if I can get some light in here for you. But we tried to get this off forever last night. It has a straight bit slot cut in it, and it does appear to be the only thing holding the pump on. It's really odd. We tried the straight bit with the impact driver, no luck. Maybe we can get this front pulley off and go from there. But that water pump is definitely on there. We also need to get the governor off. It was fighting us last night, but the bolts are out of it. So
it should come off with the front cover.
Yeah, it'll come off with the front cover for sure. Pull the oil pan, drop the crank out, get these pistons out. This piston is gonna be a fun one. So, we'll see how that goes, and at the same time, we're gonna get the tank off, get the battery off, and that's basically all the disassembly that needs done on the tractor. Let's get to work. Are you gonna rock and roll?
Ready?
Use that Milwaukee.
Oh, no.
And here we are reassembling the engine.
Yeah.
Still nothing. There we go.
I should buy a new key.
Yep. I'm gonna try to get the gas tank off this bad boy because we have to go get this cleaned up. So, a little bit of knocker loose on everything. Might as well do it all because we're planning on painting it. Throttle's finally coming off here. It's nice and warm. A little bit more. There it is. Got it. Gas tank can finally come out. Woohoo! Let's see if I can get the ratchet on this one. It is much harder to get to. The battery's out. Tried to do that while the tank was on it. Failed. Still have to fix this. Oh, it's not stuck.
Must have been that.
Oh, we did spray penetrant on this. Yeah. So when we first started, the starter switch here was trash. So it was definitely seized up and we couldn't do anything, but we sprayed some penetrant in there, some of that CRC knocker loose. And now it's ready to go. Might even crank. Well, I wish we had that other battery here so we could test it out real quick. Now we just need to go get an engine stand and get to work. We went and grabbed the engine stand. Now it's time to bolt the engine up so we can start shredding it. I think that's plenty of thread. Should get the job done for us here. That space heater. Wow.
It's cooking.
Yeah, man, my eyes are burning. We need to cook the block for a minute. That way we can work on it and not freeze.
Yeah.
That's our goal here with this bad boy. Stick the heater right on it. There you go, block heat. Man, this bolt really cleaned out these holes full of junk. All right, that one's ready to run down. This one's ready to run down. That ought to do it. Yep. And that's it. Engine is ready for the stand. Hey, beautiful. We grabbed a bunch of Cavalier bolts because I lost the bolt that holds this engine stand together since it was tore apart, and we grabbed another one for the pin. And now, oil pan time. Oh, that was fun. We should have grabbed a bucket.
I thought I had it all out.
I thought we did too.
I drank the block.
Yep. There we go. always exciting. I'm gonna grab some high dry and clean up all this really slippery trash. Oil pan bolts coming out while I try to manage the spills here. Looks like it's ready to come off. Oh, that was it. Very easy. One tap with the fist.
Solid tank.
Yep. Strainer looks beautiful. So much yummy stuff on it. Time to get the oil pump out.
Set screw. Slides right out.
Yeah, buddy. Still full of oil, adding to our mess here that we're slowly getting cleaned up. Time for the rod caps to come off. Of course, piston 1 is gonna come right out, we're sure of. Piston 2, that cylinder looks bad. We'll show you guys in just a second. Yeah, I'm ready. Drop it.
Boy, that looks fantastic.
Feels nice too.
That's perfect.
Yep. Man, the block feels real nice after having that heater on it for 30 minutes. There it is. The nice piston. And the rings are still free.
It's in great shape.
It looks perfect. No scoring. All right, there's a little bit of wear, but
That's in great shape. That's
nothing that hurts anything on this engine. All right, this cap only has one little bit holding it back on, so if you smack the cap with the mallet, it might come off. Huh, got it. Nice. Just got to beat on it enough. See if we can get the rear man off here. Here, I'll get this. I'll get the bottom while you wiggle the top. There you go. She's loose. And stuck inside the engine stand mount. That happens. Nothing you can do about that. Hey, we just got the governor housing off, which was a huge pain because all of this is pinned. So there's one pin here and one pin here. And of course they're rusted into the block. And then here's the other pin, which we were working it off right there. So now we can pull the governor out. Should be able to here if I can do it while the engine's turning. There we go. There's the governor. And now we can finally pull the main crank caps here. And also the floor is mostly cleaned up other than all the, look at the sludge and dirt and junk here. Give you the governor, or throw it back in there. The trash coming out of this engine is incredible. This is, that's nasty. We definitely marked the caps. Jared's getting the breaker bar on them here. Oh yeah. Luckily they were sitting in oil. Definitely coming loose. So far, one cap remaining. Yeah. Wow. What? Just the carnage inside there.
Yeah,
there's no chance any rust penetrant would have ever saved that cylinder.
No, it definitely had the valve open and it was just pouring water down it.
The rod is almost seized up. Ready to pull the cam? And give it a twist?
Maybe.
Does it turn?
Well, it did.
Oh! And we thought we were gonna have to press it out. There it is. Amazing. Wow. The rings are shot.
Oh yeah.
That piston is done too. There's the cylinder. Hopefully you guys can actually see how bad the rust is.
The grooving.
There's our pistons, one terrible and one that's ready to go.
That ridge is deep. Way too deep to try and run. From there, all the way around.
Cam pulling time. Yeah. All right, locking tabs down, ready to pull the last bolt. Now the lifters are keeping us from pulling the cam out. Brush and the hammer on.
That one went right down.
All right. There goes the cam. Looks all right except for this lobe.
Yeah, it's savable.
All right, this is the worst looking push rod. Hey, there's one. Here's two. Numero 3. That's it. This engine is disassembled, except for the water pump. That's never gonna come off. Let's just clean it up and paint it with the water pump on it. All right, it's done. This bolt right here. So the water pump definitely will come off. We might have to weld something onto this bolt to finish pulling it, but that's the last step here. We can send this off to the machine shop, get the cylinders bored out, and let's throw some oversized pistons in this. More horsepower. And now for the tack drive, the last thing. Quick and easy. That needs cleaned up a little bit, but nothing wrong with that. Also, was there even a cable?
No, it's cut.
Yeah, I didn't think it was gonna work.
Yeah, you just unscrew that cable.
Yeah, and swap a new one on.
Replace it, yeah.
And we are definitely going to get that working because that is one of the coolest gauges on this tractor. Look at the tack. The tack is the speedometer and everything. Well, the next thing you'll see is paint or the engine at the machine shop. And that is it for today, guys. Please like, share, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, and I will talk to you next time.